Interested in UV DTF? Let's say you land a custom full-color window signage gig. What's the move? Buy rolls of vinyl, cut the vinyl, weed the vinyl, mask the vinyl? Sounds like a lot. With leftover excess material I may or may not use from color matching this job. UV DTF takes elements from assorted printing methods to produce pro-level transfers that can be applied to hard surface, irregular objects, and all sorts of different substrates. Today we're talking about applying this new technology to your existing business by going after big business revenue money-making opportunities. We're talking about businesses with existing clientele and already existing revenue. Did I mention you don't even need a heat press? Offering direct to retail is great. Profit margins on a single piece product should be higher when compared to wholesale. However, a key to longevity in this business is accounts with other businesses, existing cash flow, existing clientele. Now, UV DTF can apply to virtually any surface imaginable, so there's almost unlimited possibilities, and a high-end feel can appeal to anyone. For those currently working with businesses such as coffee shops, restaurants, or breweries, you already know there's loads of applications to offer your services. Items such as machinery, displays, signage, and drinkware, which may be currently serviced by older print methods such as white tone or laser transfer printing, vinyl, or sublimation. With UV DTF, you can not only increase the amount of products and services you offer, but at the same time, lower your cost per production. Drinkware has largely been a sublimation realm, but with UV DTF, we can go where dye sub cannot. Let's take a look at this comparison here. This item, as you see, is not a sublimation blank. There is no white background, and it's sort of an unusual shape to throw into a mug press. Well, today we're decorating with no heat press. How's it done? We've got our machine loaded up with media, ran a quick nozzle check, everything is ready. Now with the DigiRip software, we can bring in multiple images to maximize that media, take up every inch of that film. The UV lamps inside the machine will cure the ink instantaneously, meaning that these are ready to apply right away. Waterproof, heat resistant, high scratch durability, and super simple to apply. Think about the materials needed to execute these jobs otherwise. Rolls of vinyl, sublimation paper, printer, ink. And what if the item's not even a sublimation blank? Don't miss out on clients because you can't print on their products or because you can't print white ink. Now, every decorating method will have its pros and cons, but for the entrepreneur looking to tackle any job, anytime, UV DTF can certainly remove bottlenecks in your workflow. While these transfers are scratch resistant, we're barely scratching the surface of what UV DTF can do. Make sure you subscribe for all things direct to film, UV direct to film, DTG, and a whole lot more. We got links in the description down below for everything we use in today's video, and let us hear your questions in the comments section. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. My name is Estevan, we are All American Print Supply. We'll see you on the next one.